Video number 12. The 10 do's you have to apply for successful email marketing campaigns. When using an email marketing campaign to enhance your sales, just use these email marketing do's to improve the overall performance of your campaign. 1. Use automation to follow up leads. Follow-up allows you to set a reminder for the prospect about your product and services which they currently receive. You can save your subscriber data in your database. Automation emails can include a confirmation mail, cart status to motivate them to complete their purchases, receipts, and promotional emails, etc. These types of follow-up emails assist you to shorten the process of purchase. Within the email, you can include graphics of product or a direct link to the particular landing page to close a deal. This is the easiest and best way to hook up the prospect with your brand. 2. Clean your email lists. Most marketers usually ignore handling their email list because they take it as a low priority work. But every marketer really needs to devote some time to managing their list to increase the open rate. Create a list of those subscribers who have not clicked on your email within a complete year and drop them a mail to validate their subscription. This method will eradicate non-responsive leads from your list to get a clear overview of your actual clicks and open rate. Remember, a clean email list saves both time and money and improves conversions. 3. Offer the option to unsubscribe. It is necessary to involve an unsubscribe link in your every email, because if they are unable to find an unsubscribe link, they probably mark your emails as spam, which can adversely upset your deliverability. Ask them why they want to unsubscribe and for what they are looking. Don't create a lengthy process to unsubscribe. It can make your customers annoyed, and they will never come back. You can manage subscriptions to maintain relationships with your customers. If your email advertisement campaign is focused and relevant, your recipients will not likely unsubscribe. 4. Use abandoned shopping carts to your advantage. Segment your audience according to their actions and page views, and list your abandoned cart leads for better targeting. You can send personalized emails to customers that left your webpage after adding a product to a cart. This can clearly assist them to recall your brand, and they can come back to your website. An email letting your prospective customers know that there is something in their cart can motivate them to complete their purchase. You can send these types of emails after an hour of abandoning a cart to improve email opening rate and online conversions. 5. Follow the CAN-SPAM Act laws. Whether it is an email marketer or someone else, everybody hates spam. So be sure that your emails are following the CAN-SPAM compliance rules. Ensure that you are targeting the right person with the content they are looking for. This will enhance the prestige of your brand and conversion rates. Here are 7 rules that you should follow at the time of creating an email. Headers need to be clear and concise. Don't lie in the subject line. Classify your email as an advertisement. Provide a physical address in the email. Let your prospects know how to unsubscribe. Remove unsubscribed leads from your list. Analyze what your email marketing team is doing. If you are following all these rules, there are more chances that your email will directly hit your prospect's inbox. 6. Make your landing page one click away. A one-click landing page is one of the cheapest techniques. If you want to add a video in your email, it can be difficult to find the right place for it. You can opt for embedded video, but it is still a 2-click landing page. 1 click to check out the video, and another click directing customers to the landing page. To direct your prospective customers to a 1-click landing page, you could choose a static image with the landing page link that has an autoplay video. You need to seize the attention of your prospect, demonstrate what makes you different from other businesses, and test variations of email content to find the right copy. You can also include a call to action with engaging content. 7. Split testing. Before mailing an email to your list, you should always analyze it. To run an effective marketing campaign, it is certainly necessary to track and test what works for your audience. You could try to include a video in your email. You can test your email's subject line, copy, call to action, and greetings. Analyze which things bring conversions to you. Regular testing can improve your open rates, conversions, sales, and revenue. 8. Include a signature. Always seek to incorporate a complete signature at the end of every email to increase the opportunity of further communication. You can take advantage of the power of the signature in your email marketing campaign to improve the company's reputation. You must also include name, title, business name, physical address, web address, and social media links. You can also give multiple details using semicolons and pipes. An email signature can become an advertisement tool for your business, social networks, and website. It boosts brand awareness, and the sign line can be a prime aspect of your comprehensive branding. 9. Use a double opt-in email list. Internet service providers and mailing services take advantage of various filters and analysis to avoid the hazard of spam. A double opt-in email list is a great method to build an immense quality email list. It also assures that all of your email conversions are delivered into your prospective audience's mailbox. Using a double opt-in list validates the subscribers who actually demand an email from your brand. As your prospective audience signs up for a newsletter, they receive a verification mail to confirm their subscription. This way, you can diminish the low-quality signups and bounce rate. 10. Write enticing subject lines and messaging. Whether you are using welcome emails, new product announcement emails, promotional emails, newsletter emails, or any other type of email, to boost your email opening rate, it is important to add a subject line to your email. If you don't include a subject line, all your efforts are in vain. That is why you really need to have appealing, interactive, and relative content in your subject line. Provide at least one offer that is related to your subject title. You can also present tips, guides, case studies, and other giveaways to interact with them. All of these little things can boost your brand value.